up? I'm Mark and welcome to Epic Confections. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. This week I am joined in collaboration with two beautiful women, Rosie from Rosie's Dessert Spot and Lorelie from Wedding Cakes for You. Our theme, St. Patrick's Day. Let's do it! Go! I have three 9-inch round white cakes. I'm just going to level them out, fill them with white buttercream, stack them up, start decorating. Let's do it. Just putting a little bit of buttercream on my cake board so that it doesn't slide around. Looking good, feeling dill pickle-ish. I don't know what that means. So next I have my cheater bag with plain white buttercream. I have my spatula and some really hot water. I also have a cake comb from Rosie's Dessert Spot that I'll be using. I will definitely link Rosie's channel and Lorelie's channel in the description below. Go check out their cakes. They are phenomenal. And if you'd like this amazing comb, I will link Rosie's website as well where you can purchase them. So I'm just gonna go right ahead and start icing this entire cake white. Just starting at the top, just trying to get it as smooth as possible. Then just working my way on the sides, holding my spatula straight up and down, moving the turntable, kind of letting the turntable do the work for me. So next I'm just taking Rosie's comb, Rosie's cake comb, dipping it in my hot water. I don't think she uses hot water, that's fine. I do.
Buttercream's different in Australia.
Yeah, buttercream's different in Australia, right Rosie? So just taking my comb, holding it straight up and down, and just gingerly going all around the cake. Dipping it in the water again, and we're gonna go for another round. If you do see any spots where, like this, where you know you need more buttercream, we're just gonna apply a little bit more buttercream and repeat that step all over again. So now just cleaning up these edges, just bringing in that excess buttercream to the middle of the cake. So next I have a piping bag full of green buttercream. I have some nice fresh hot water here and my spatula. The bottom of this cake is going to kind of be like the fault line design. So this is going to be all random. Just kind of going with the flow, for lack of a better term. And I'm just filling in all that space at the bottom. Gonna go in and hold my spatula straight up and down and just flatten out all that buttercream at the base. So next I just mix together a little bit of gold luster dust and some vodka. Taking a little paintbrush, and I'm just gonna splatter a little bit of gold all over the green part. Next I'm just using my finger and kind of splattering the gold. And then taking some of my gold and just painting the top edge of that green. This is gonna take a while. Cue the fast forward. Once you're happy with your gold, I have a large piping bag here with a large rose tip. I'm just gonna make some green rosettes all around the outside of the cake, and then we're gonna decorate the top a little bit. Next, I have a few fun things to decorate the top of the cake with. I have some of these gold chocolate coins. I have some 3-leaf clovers and just some gold balls. I'm just taking some of my gold balls and just sprinkling it right on top in the middle of the cake. Well, shit, I'll just pour it in there, eh? And there you have it, my St. Patrick's Day cake. I hope you like it. If you did, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. Thank you so much to my beautiful and talented ladies, Rosie and Lorelie. Make sure to go check out their channels. I will link in the description below. Thank you so much to Mariposa Market for sponsoring this video, and I will see all of y'all next week. Mwah!